Today we will show you a very simple trick in Excel, how to use Ctrl K and the power of it. So for example, if you have a list of students whom you are putting a status of the exam as pass or fail, and if you want to put a status on each, you can do one by one copy paste like this, or you can use the Ctrl K method to copy paste the status very quickly. I'll show you how it is. Delete everything, and then let's say these are the students you want to make pass or fail, right? Now what you can do, you can select the first 5 rows and then click Control, then select, let's say, 3 more rows. So total 8 rows would be selected. And if you want to put a status comment for all these people in any cell, keeping that selection without changing it, any cell, just type your status, and if you just press enter, it goes to the next cell only, right? But if you press Control Enter, then it changes the whole scenario. So let me show you that again. Again, we are deleting it. We are selecting 5 cells, Control, and then selecting 8 cells. Let me type pass, and instead of simple enter, I'm putting Control Enter. And you can see that the status have been updated in all the selected fields. This is a very easy tip that you can use in your day-to-day life in Excel. Thank you for watching.